Besties, look what we got, girl. So LA Color's got this new glossy lip moisturizing lip gloss, girl. Hey, sweet berry, because it looks like a very like baby pink glitter gloss. And for only a $2 bestie, you know we had to try it, bestie. So let's try it out. It looks like that little pink glitter effect, like it's so freaking cute, bestie. Like look at that. Now let's talking, bestie. Let's try this out. No, no. What? And it smells good. Do y'all not see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. LA Colors. This is so freaking good, bestie. For this to be only $2, it's glittery. It smells got little. It has that little like applicator, which is so freaking cute. Like, do y'all not see that? 12 out of 10. I love this. That I do not want to take this off my lips. Like, look how freaking cute this is for it. It smells good. It's cute and it's affordable, bestie. Y'all better go run. I got this from Family Dollar. Y'all better go run to Family Dollar, bestie, and get this now, because this is so cute, bestie. Let me know, girl, if you are going to try the new LA Colors Glossy Lip Gloss, bestie. And until next time, bestie.